Welcome to this tutorial on the whiteboard feature of Elementiam. In this video, we'll explore how this tool transforms the way you create and work with 2D paths. Just like designing for a CNC machine, the whiteboard feature allows you to generate precise 2D paths effortlessly. But that's not all. It takes things to the next level by enabling you to project these paths onto existing 3D scanned surfaces. This means you can seamlessly handle non-planar operations with high accuracy and efficiency. Let's dive in and see it in action. First, open the whiteboard window, which is located in the dimensional module of Elementiam. In this window, you'll find various options to generate simple paths, such as circles, squares, zigzag infills, and even text. Once you've created your path, exporting it is straightforward, and it will automatically appear in the main window of Elementiam, ready for further use. To position the path on a specific area of the available surface, use Alt plus right-click to create indication points. For a circle, 3 points are required to define its placement. For shapes like squares, zigzag infills, and text, 2 points will determine the general direction and transformation, allowing you to align them as needed. After creating the paths, use the Project onto Surface function found in the Mesh Operations menu. This feature allows you to precisely map the path onto the surface, ensuring it aligns accurately with the contours of the 3D model. The projected path can be exported to RoboDK or as G-code using the contour mode within the Generate Additive Toolpath window. For surface planning, the path can be further refined by adjusting parameters such as smoothing, weaving, and other available options to meet specific requirements.